Next, we're shifting gear to just more of how to use the word Chao in a vocabulary way again. Chao Dai Wok, we say we got into a big confrontation or argument with somebody else. Chao means like clash now. Like stir fry, you have everything in a heated wok, and everything is clashing with each other. Chao Dai Wok means what a mess. You are creating such a big mess and serious argument with others. Chao Dai Wok. Chao Zhuo Yat Wok. Next is Chao Zhuo Yat Wok. Again, we use the analogy of wok. Everything is stir fried together, very in a heated way, and a lot of argument coming out. But the word zhuo, Chao Zhuo Yat Wok means has happened. Is grammar wise, it has a past perfect tense or perfect tense. Something has already happened. That means I have gotten into a big mess or into a big argument with somebody else. 我同你炒咗一鑊. 我同你 means with you. 炒咗一鑊, gotten into a big argument. Okay, next, 炒蝦拆蟹. Okay, so imagine you're in a wok. You have a wok, and you're stir frying some shrimp and crab, right? And the act of doing that has a lot of commotion. Everybody knows when you're eating crab, it's a lot of work, a lot of mess, and especially when you're taking apart all these shell and get the meat out, you're decomposing the crab. 拆蟹 means you're picking the meat out of the crab. 拆 means picking apart. 蟹 means crab. So when you're stir frying the shrimp and making a mess to take apart the meat of the crab, that means you're doing a lot of causing a lot of trouble, a lot of commotion. When I go into a store, let's say when I go to a store, I say 炒蝦拆蟹 or 炒蝦拆蟹 just means I'm causing a lot of commotion, big disturbance. 炒蝦拆蟹 for attention. Next, 炒鑊勁. Again, I think I covered this phrase before. 炒 just means stir fry, and wok means wok, right? 勁 means intensely. When you're stir frying in a wok very intensely, is an analogy to say you are getting into an argument with somebody intensely, forcefully, and strongly, right? So, 我同你 again with you, I with you 同你，我同你炒鑊勁. That means I got into very, very serious, big argument or get into a mess with you, right? 尋晚同你炒鑊勁. Last night, 尋晚 means last night. 尋晚同你 with you. 炒鑊勁, right? So next, just very simple. 炒嘢 means got into a fight with you, right? So these are the vocabulary, the verb version of the Chao to mean mostly negative things, right? 炒大鑊, 炒咗一鑊, 炒蝦拆蟹, 炒鑊勁, all these are negative things. Okay, last.